Alright, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get custom keyboards on iOS 8. Whoopsie. One hand is bad. Yeah, as you can see, not exactly see, but iPhone 6 is out, not 6 Plus. But, so, here it might say like iOS keyboards in the trending searches. You want to type iOS 8 keyboards. And there'll be multiple keyboards. You can choose your app. You might have seen one I had. It's called the Swipe. I'm not using it just for the sake of the video, so I can show you in a little bit. But just multiple apps. I've tried out tons of them. But if you want to keep the little letter bar, or on top of the keyboard, there's the bar of certain letters. Like, can't really explain or show you. That's nice. I didn't know there's themes. I gotta try that out. Sweet. Alright. So I guess I'll just show you this one, but it was 99 cents. So Swipe, setup tutorial. I don't want setup tutorial. End of tutorial, please. Alright, well, guess I'll just show you. So you go to General, Keyboard, Keyboards, Add Keyboard, add Swipe, and then Edit, and you can pull it up wherever you want. And actually, since the Swipe that I'm pulling around right here is in English, you can get rid of the actual English keyboard. I know what you're thinking. Gosh, oh my god, this guy is insane. He's gonna tell me to delete the keyboard, everything's gonna get screwed up. But you can just go back to add keyboard. If you don't like that, add English, edit, and get rid of whatever keyboard you've downloaded. Like Swipe. So it's there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works though. So if you've seen Android, but down here in the corner where I'm clicking, I don't have taps like you get in an actual jailbreak, but in Android you'd like swipe to type. So like, let's say I'm just in 7th grade. Let's say I want to type like homework. I'd swipe and there it is, homework. I hope you guys found this helpful. Not too many people might be thinking about that right now, but hope you guys found this helpful, and see you in the next video.